Bruce take your idea, Isaac?
Bruce, you're a silly boy, huh? Bruce, look at the camera. You want the hat now, huh? Bruce, can you give it to Isaac? Can Isaac have a turn? Bruce, can you give it to Isaac? Can you give him your hat? Let Isaac have a turn with the hat. Oh, someone's gonna get upset. Bruce, can you give him the hat? Give him your hat.